Today we're going to unbox the Insignia F50 series LED 4K TV, which we've got right here. This is the 75-inch version. So just show you what this looks like in terms of size and unboxing it, some of the features. I've gotten several of the Insignia TVs before, the Fire TVs to test out. I do like the built-in Fire TV on these. So that was the main reason. Everything's just very intuitive. And then needed something that was going to be large enough for this wall back here. So we are going to open this up, show you what it looks like. I have no idea how to put this out here in terms of the TV and its size, what it actually is like inside. But they've got lots of packaging in here. We've got our Fire TV remote and some instructions. So we're going to take all that out, and I think the best way to do this is we're going to tilt it on its side, and then there's another remote in there. So I don't know why there's two remotes, but that's what we've got. We've got some legs, and then we've got another leg in here, and I think that is all for the packaging. I'm a little bit worried about if I'm going to be able to get this out of the box with just one person. And I don't really want to cut the box in case there's an issue. Just because if you ever turn it, that just becomes the whole thing. Box back together. We've got the styrofoam out, and then for whatever reason I wanted to hold on to this other end. It was like, there we go. Kind of another piece there, so hopefully we don't have to do that. And then I think the easiest way, the problem says use bag handles to remove TV. So there's a bag in here, and then handles. I think the way that we're going to have to do this, yeah, that's going to be just a ball. I think what we're going to do is set it on the floor and then pull it out. Is what we'll do. It says install the stand on the box. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to kind of wants to tip a little bit there, so we don't want that to happen. Let's sit this down. I'm going to move it to the floor and then pull it out. Or we could try to pull it from the side. Let's see what that does. We go to the side here. I think this actually going to work pretty well. We go to the side. Okay. Yeah, that is going to work here. We'll pull it out to the side. And there we go. This is a little difficult to mount. This is one person. So there we go. We've got the TV out. Let's put it down here, and I'm just going to lean it up against the fireplace. So I'll remove the rest of the packaging. And take a look at this. What side we have? Okay. There we go. TV itself, and we're just going to pull this all the way down. And I actually think the best way to do this is for it to be on its side right here. Yeah, that's going to work for right now. So we've got the TV right there, and then all I'm going to do is take the rest of this off. We'll show you when we have it mounted, but that is the Insignia F50 TV. Stick around, we're going to mount it, and I'll show you how it's mounted. Okay. There we go. We've got the TV on.